Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Espero que estén bien. Welcome to my YouTube channel Salud Spanish for All. Friends, today we will discuss the verb ser, means to be. For to be in Spanish language there are two different verbs, ser and estar. Today we will discuss only the first verb, which is ser. Ser means to be. What is to be? The present tense of to be in English are am, is and are. The past tense is was and were, and the future tense is shall and will, shall be and will be. Today we will discuss only the present tense am, is and are. In Spanish language, each and every verb has 6 different forms. So today let us try to understand the 6 forms of the verb ser. The first form is soy. The last y is pronounced as e, so it is soy. The second form is eres. Third form es. Fourth form somos. Fifth form sois, and the last form son. These are the 6 forms: soy, eres, es, somos, sois and son. These 6 forms are used with the appropriate subject pronoun. In Spanish, each and every subject has a specific verb form. So these 6 forms are used with the subject pronoun that we have already learnt. The first form is yo, that is yo soy. So the first form soy cannot be used with tú, él, nosotros, vosotros, or ellos or ustedes. It cannot be used with any other subject. Same way, the second form is what? Eres, which is only used with tú eres. It cannot be yo eres or ella eres or nosotros eres. So each and every subject has a specific verb form. Now let's try to understand the English equivalent of these forms. The first form is yo soy, which means I am. The second form tú eres means you are, informal. Third form we have got 3 subjects, él, ella and usted. So él es he is, ella es she is, and usted es you are, formal. Fourth form nosotros somos, we are. Fifth form vosotros sois, you are, informal. And the last form ellos or ustedes. Ellos son means they are, and ustedes son means you are. The format is same: to you informal and to you formal. First 3 forms are singular and last 3 forms are plural, and each and every subject has a specific verb form. Now you need to remember only the 6 forms of this verb: soy, eres, es, somos, sois and son. Now as there are 2 different verbs for to be in Spanish, ser and estar, we also need to learn the uses of ser. So the uses of ser we will discuss in the next video. For now you just need to remember the subject pronoun in proper order and the 6 forms in proper order of this verb ser. Clear? The 6 forms are there in the red font: soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son. So please try to remember the subject pronoun and the 6 forms of this verb. In the next video we will discuss the uses of ser.